our projects center around really three core technologies. One is bagging, putting something into a package, so taking a food item and getting into a package. The other is getting it mixed together, so dry blending. So we dry blend ingredients into some sort of format, and then that gets packaged. And then thirdly is spray drying. So we'll take a powder of some kind, make a liquid blend of a bunch of different ingredients in a liquid format, and then convert that into a powder through spray drying technology, and then package that. So those three technologies are what customers typically come to us to engage us and use us, and that's what we're strong at. Warehousing is always part of that process. Customers that we work with are big, and so they want to run large volumes. They'd be hundreds of thousands of pounds at a time, sometimes millions. In order to do that, you need raw material warehousing. You need the ability to bring in a lot of materials at one time, sit on it, process it, and then get it back out the door. And usually there's a lot of testing that's involved, where there's micro testing after the product's been made. Micro testing takes at least a week to complete. So you have to, if you put 1,000,000 pounds out, you got to sit on it for a week before it gets approved and be shipped. So you got to have a lot of warehousing. We have that capacity. We can handle a lot of volume and handle all the processing that's involved in the interim, and handle all the micro testing that's needed to be done. The other thing that we're typically asked to do is buy ingredients, which takes a lot of cash, takes a lot of ability to source ingredients, and we do both of those things. We can go out and bring in the money that's required, source the ingredients, make sure the quality is up to the standard it needs to be, bring it in, get it in on a timely basis, and get into the process. And the last piece that we're often asked to do, which gives us a tremendous edge, is R&D. We have R&D facilities at both our plants that can do a lot of upfront research to quantify and identify processes that are often unknown. How do we do what we're supposed to do? A lot of customers come to you until they got that all nailed down. The case is most of the time they don't. And so we spend a lot of time doing research for customers to actually identify the process and help them really get it nailed down where it's optimal, profitable, and runs at a very high level for quality.